Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set audio options to the audio file that you have inserted to your slides created on the office.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website and start creating your slides, and after you have inserted your audio file, you should tap on this audio options button, and here you can select from 4 options: play across slides, loop until stopped, hide during show, rewind after playing. So tap on the relevant option. You can also select this play in background option, so it will be played while you are presenting the current slide to which it has been inserted. You can also set the no audio style, you can change the picture, and you can also set the volume from low to high. You can also mute it if you want to, and you can select when would you like the audio file to be started, when clicked on, or automatically when you open the slide. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.